Previously on my Brumores.
There's a spider.
Hey, no.
No.
Okay, now, yes, it is time to put the sheets back in. Where's my sheet? Oh, there he is.
Yeah. Dad who knows it.
Seats going in now, and then shit, that means we're done with the inside. Yeah, next week.
No, we
week.
got the boot.
No, we don't need the boot. The boot's all good.
The what? The beat?
The boot. Yeah, and then next week we're doing the outside. Following week we take the engine out. Nigga.
Huh? Sorry, what? Remove the rims
No.
and put.
No. Shut the fuck up.
This is why we make a.
Next week we're gonna do the outside of the car.
Why is it so
following week.
Okay. Can I please sit on it? When? Please, just sit on it.
Okay, wait, I have an idea. No, wait, listen here, I have an idea.
Aww. Can I start it?
No.
Wait.
You touch him, press down. Okay, now no throttle. You're just releasing that slowly until you start moving. Hold, put your feet up. And then stop.
I rode a bike!
Now walk it back.
Walk it back.
Walk it back. This is how you
Can I
reverse.
put it in neutral?
No, you as long as the clutch is in, you're fine.
Oh, okay.
If in doubt, clutch in.
I did pretty good on my first try.
Yeah, you do that again. This is clutch control.
Yep. Do it again.
No throttle, just that. Yeah, stop. Without using your feet, use the brakes. You got brakes there and you got brakes there.
Alright,
On your foot. Now walk it back.
Yeah.
When you do your bike course, they're gonna get you to stall on purpose.
So just like.
So you know how to catch the bike.
Oh!
So stall
How do
it
I stall? Just leave it.
slowly. Yeah, now let it go. Let it go. Yeah.
Oh, I got it!
Yeah. Yeah. Now put it in neutral.
That's two. Hey, I did it! Yeah.
Yeah, so now off. Off.
Off the bike.
Off the bike. Get
Like-
off the bike. No, get off the bike.
Huh?
Any last words, sir?
I rode a bike!
Bro.
Watch out! Poke.
The race on the customer party. Bro! Piss off!
Stickle. No, I can't! Oh, it's the clock. Right, so I don't know what he's doing. He's wasting time. I'm ready to put the seats back in, as you can see. So, in theory, I do most of the work, but he don't really tell you.
Shut the fuck up!
See, he gets angry, right? I mean, man got anger issues, you know what I'm saying? But in that kind of sense, get ready, whatever, and let's head to the car.
Hold this.
Bro, I'm trying
Come
to
here.
get the cinematics.
Hold that. Just goes through.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Doesn't he go inside a hole?
No. It can't go through. Where the fuck is it supposed to go through?
Because remember he was zip tied to a lot of things.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. Oh, I think it was zip tied to this. Wait, no, we can put it here. Yeah.
Oh, that's more smart.
Yeah.
Wanna test me now, G? Yeah, okay. Okay, that's what Actually, I know you.
That's for YouTube shorts.
Oh, yeah.
So like that boomerang you just did now, a couple seconds longer, I'm gonna smack that camera out of your hand. Like the YouTube short you did, the vlog. Shut the fuck up!
Oh, I'm tired. It's too funny.
We'll start with the passenger.
Okay. Now that's too funny. Oh, bro, remember when he threw a hissy fit at me, right? Saying, oh, don't buy a 350. But look what he does.
Here we go.
There. Sweet, lovely.
Okay, now.
I can't see.
Wait, I need to check something. Oh.
I really wish we got paid doing this, because I actually enjoy doing this. Like, even though you annoy me the whole time, it's actually pretty fun, you know? Hello?
Likewise, sir.
Huh?
Likewise.
Yay! Can you look any slower? See, when you try to be cool, but you're not.
Who's anything about trying?
So this one's gonna have 4A.
Yep.
Not gonna lie, this car came a long way though.
Oh, hell yeah. That's one seat. Woo!
Well done!
Oh, I'm listening in this car. I just wanted to sit down. Oh.
The nostalgia. But were you always in the passenger seat?
No. I was only in the passenger seat when I got concussions at work.
Okay.
You gotta push, you gotta work hard, you gotta be the best you can be by carrying a chair.
Careful, don't scrape the railings.
Okay.
Bro! You can't tell me you missed this car, you wanna treat it nice, but come
I'm
on.
opening the door.
Bros.
I
It
need to
already
open
has
the
so many. Look at that, you can see it's dented. Have some respect.
That's why I'm fixing it.
Oh, by the way, Junaid has a new dog. Remember I told you in the last video he died? He got a new dog. Your neighbors probably think we're weirdos.
I don't think you're weirdos.
Huh?
I think you are.
Do they know me?
Nope.
Then? It don't
I'd say
matter.
that's a good thing.
No, but I do appreciate you teaching me how on the bike. That's fun. I enjoyed that. Thank you, Junaid. Junaid?
Yeah,
Thank you.
I know.
Ah, not what I was expecting. What's that in your hand?
Tape.
Why?
I'm taking the tape off.
Oh. Wait, there's tape.
Yes, I put tape on you so it hold the cable.
Oh, you can put new tape?
Nope.
Okay.
Tape it. I don't.
Things we do for camera angles. It's
How
not what it
did
looks
this
like.
co-
Not what it
How did
looks
this come in or come out? Oh wait, curved. Which way is curved? That way's curved. And that way. Yeah? Yeah, that way. This side.
Oh my god, I'm gonna sit in the seat for the first time. Oh! You know, it feels so good. Like, I don't even know this car personally, but it feels so good.
It's not going in.
So no,
No.
it's because it's also damaged. Nah, because you're not gonna be safe with two. Try this hole.
That's what she said.
Might actually have to take one out of there. Replace it with this one. This one's not going in.
Yeah.
Pull that seat forward.
Okay. Oh, that feels so nice.
That's what she said.
I hope this is a good angle.
That's what she said.
Working?
Oh shit.
Like, I remember when I met Junaid and he told me about this car. I said he's gonna fix up himself, blah blah blah. And then I came along and be like, hey yo Junaid, let's do this. And look where we are now. Dumb and dumber.
Dumb and dumber.
Is it going in?
It's going in.
That's what she said.
Oh, we won't be able to take it out again.
Oh. I mean, if we did it once, we can do it again, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Not again.
Okay, not again, I mean. Oh.
Wow! It felt good.
Let's go for a drive.
Yes.
Yeah.
Go.
Let's go. Put in manual. Put in manual. Yay! Let's go. Wait till the song ends, then you can start talking. Okay, it's good now. I only played half. I don't know why.
Now next is the
Outside. Oh, the door panel. Why don't you just put like carbon fiber doors?
Why not just take all the door cards off?
Then it's
Weight
not.
reduction.
Can we get windy like roll up
No,
windows?
I'm lazy.
Oh, I miss the olden days. Okay, we get it, Shola.
Oh shit. Okay, let's go. Are we done?
Right here.
We done for today?
Yeah.
That's enough. Leave the keys. Leave the tools in the car for it.